Once again, the power of analysis has been proven. Told you very specifically yesterday in both of my analysis and for Dow Jones and Nasdaq, once with the Asia session, next with the US session. Both videos I told you remain long and one can expect beyond 32,400. The target is directly 32,600, and then for US100, once it stays about 12,620, you are going to look at 12,660 and then 12,720, and then beyond that plus levels, and see what beautifully both of the Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones achieved the targets and traded beautifully. Now, what to expect today? It is going to be an important day when the Fed is going to release the interest rate hike decision and the projection for next quarters also. Definitely the world is awaiting for it, and it will definitely bring volatility to market. So what to expect, which position you should take in order to profit today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis and targets. Let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now see, first look at the movement here. Certainly it has given a breakout, and you can see 12,400 is now the base. Very strong support exists, and now the next base is 12,560 and 600. So till 12,600 anyways we are going to remain bullish. That is one part of it. Below 12,600, and only if it breaks below 12,400 we can expect that there is bearishness. Also look at the moves here. If you look at the moves of Nasdaq 100 on the hourly chart, see consolidation here, and I told you it is going to rally, and see precisely it is traded bullish, and it is again trading with the divergence from the 20 period moving average indicating bullishness. At the same time, now look at the hourly charts more closely. See couple of bullish candles retracement, and here also it is signaling a reversal. It is signaling a reversal, but at the same time it is giving you lower highs, lower lows, and hence once you see it trading beyond 12,750 levels, you can stay long. Rather, I'll say wait for 12,760 levels and stay long about this for 12,820 and then 12,900. And this time it's saying about 12,800, we are going to look at 13,000 levels. That is clear. If it stays about 12,800, it is going to hit 13,000 levels. I am making my words again clear here. But at the same time, you look at the hourly chart, see yes, a reversal indication is here. Higher lows are seen. If it breaks below this zone at 12,730, you can sell there and then expect 12,700 this time, which is going to be a good support, and then 12,680. See, if it breaks below 12,680, 650 zone, yes, it is going to show you further bearishness. You can then wait for 12,600 and below levels. Now look at the stochastic. This is looking up, trying to trade bullish. The MACD is trying to converge here, crossover for a sell, though it is still at a lower levels. It is not yet crossed over, and it can diverge again. So still the bullishness has not diminished. It is till the time it crosses over with the divergence. RSI near to the highs, trying to look down, trying to cool down a bit. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart to see the divergence from the 20 period average, and certainly this is bullish indication. And see, at max, only if it breaks below 12,600 and 560, there could be bearishness, which is confirmed. So till then you have to be watchful there. Also look at the wall there. It is trying to get the resistance from the upside, hence only 12,760 levels. Yes, just 20 points away from here you can buy there and expect it to rise more. And if you look at the movement, you can find one more interesting thing is, see the movement here. It is still bullish, and see there is a lot much of gap on the upside, and that is why I say it's staying about 12,800. We are going to look at 13,000 levels. But see, the stochastic here is overbought on the 2-hour chart. There could be a little cooling, but the MACD is still divergent, is still trying to trade bullish. RSI is trading very much near the highs. There is a possibility that in the near term time frames, which means throughout this day till the US session or till the Fed data, probably there could be slighter drop. There is an expectation to it. Look at the 3-hour chart. See double bottom at the 12,400. It has breached past this previous highs and now trying to trade bullish. Also, if you look at the formation here, you will find, see, it is taking the support here and it is diverging more. So this is still clearly indicating bullishness. And if you look at the stochastic, this is certainly overbought. The MACD is trying to trade with the divergence, slight divergence. Again, see the candle size has started to diminish. I'll be watchful of it. RSI is overbought on the 3-hour charts. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, trying to get a pullback. 12,680 is the level below which you can expect a little drop, but then 12,650, 12,600 is something you should watch out for, and then 12,560. If these three levels are taken, then you can expect that it is going to break heavily on the downside. Till 12,560, do not consider this as bearish. Stochastic has come to overbought zone. The MACD has again crossed over, trading with slight divergence. And see, now if you look at, it has crossed over here, again crossing over here, now trying to trade with divergence. This time if it crosses over for a sell, it is going to bring more bearishness, it is going to trade down. RSI is almost trading near to the top there. And if you look at the daily, now see, important observation on the daily charts is what I had told you several times. See the bullishness here, see the see the flag there, and then this breakout. So this is the breakout after this flag formation, and hence it can continue the rally for a little while. That is my expectation. Also, if you look at the few candles, last three candles, lower highs were seen, and this is the first breakout candle. This also comes with the expectation that we may see a next candle here. If it stays about 12,760 levels, we can expect 12,820, 12,900, and then 13,000 levels this time, higher highs. Because see, why I am saying so, I have told you yesterday also, I am telling you again. See the bull, see the flag, again a breakout, and this time it can stretch if it continues to stay on the upside. And hence 12,560 is the level you should watch out for. Only below 12,560 you can expect that it is going to drop again. Take your trades accordingly. Below, yes, you can sell at 12,680, buy at 12,760 for these 80 points. Do not take a trade. On the upside till 12,900 you have to keep trailing your stop losses. On the downside till 12,560 you have to keep trailing your stop losses. Below that we may again see 12,500, 400, and then, as I told you several times, till 12,200 do not consider this as bearish. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch is started day before yesterday. 21st batch is going to start in first or midweek of April. Register yourself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now yesterday I'll come to daily charts later, but let's have a look at the hourly charts first. On the hourly chart, see, here it is traded with divergence from the 20 period moving average, trying to converge a bit, means 32. You can see this 32 450 levels you should watch out for, which is going to play an important role. And if you look at the movement here, see this, which means that there is a probability that it can come back till towards 32 300. So if it stays below 32 450, chances are high that we may see 32 300, which is going to play a very important role. That is the first part to it. Next part, if you look at the hourly charts closely, you will find that though the crater is formed, it is not yet reversed completely. And if it stays above 12,560, you can buy again for 12,600. I will wait for it to stay above 12,600 and 32,600, and then definitely it is going to fly high. So 32,560 levels you should watch out for, and then 32,600 levels. These two levels you should watch out, beyond which certainly we may see it flying high. Now look at the hourly charts also. You can see that it is trying to look downwards now. So possibility exists that it can stretch the drop till towards 32,450, and below which only we may see further bearishness. Right now it is trying to trade bearish. You can stay short below 32,500 itself. The stochastic has dropped, trying to look upwards. The MACD on the hourly charts is now trying to trade with divergence, trying to trade bearish, and this crossover is happening at a slightly higher levels. It can stress the drop for a little while. RSI is trying to look downwards, indicating slight bearishness. And if you look at the 2 hour chart, similar is the formation, trying to form a step till 32,560. We have to be watchful. And in fact, if you're taking a sell entry at 32, 500 levels, expect 32 400. So 32 450, 400, and then 300. These three levels you should watch out for only and only if. Now in fact till 32 250 also I will not recommend you to expect this as bearish. It can bounce back again. However, that will be a trend breaker, as right now it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. The support should kick in at 32 400, 450. Stochastic overbought. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge a bit, but remember, see, it is still trading in this bullish channel, and there is a possibility of a conversion from where we can expect it to trade bullish. RSI looking down. Now look at 3 hour charts. This is the third candle in succession, there is a possibility that 32 450 400 levels may get achieved. However, look at the movement so far, it is still bullish till the time it stays within this channel, and hence only slight bearishness is below 32 400, where you can expect 32 300 200 levels, only below which further bearishness is confirmed. Till that time, we should not consider this for a reversal. Yes, it is trying to retrace. See, bullish candle retracement, bullish candle retracement. Yes, it can retrace a bit. However, again, reverse from there. So you have to be cautious till it confirms for a reversal signal. Yes, you can sell here at 32 500, but then expect you have to trade with the trailing stop loss 32 450 400. Very, very strong support levels. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is trying to trade with slight divergence. It is in green still. And see, this is also trading at a slightly higher levels, but it is still got room for it to continue with the upward move. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade slightly bearish. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts to see 32 500 600, very very stronger resistance. Yes, you can buy here at 32 560 and then expect 32 600, and then staying above 32 600. The targets are 32 700, 32 850 and 33,000 levels. And if you look at, see, it is still trading in this bullish. You can see higher lows consistently getting displayed, and then higher high. This is a divergent triangle. Watchful of 32 400 till the time stays above this. Yes, very good bullishness. And then 32 200, these two levels you should note out. Stochastic looking, it is back to overbought levels. The MACD is in green, candle size is diminishing. There could be slight bearishness here. RSI trying to trade flat. And now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, one thing I did tell you, that see, it has consolidated here. See, multiple candles getting support at 32 31 500 400, consolidated, and then this reversal, and then this breakout has happened. Now see, yesterday was the first strong breakout candle. Now it can follow the trend, and then we may see 33,000 levels also, but then before that it can try to drop a bit, pull down a bit before looking forward to this upward rally. There is a possibility for an upward rally to resume. Now this is one part to it, but these are market, that is just an expectation. And if you look at the formation here, now see, the highs here you can find out if you connect 32 800 33,000 levels are going to play very very important role for the. So certainly, once again I am saying, if it stays above 32 600, stay long, and then one can expect 32 800 33,000 levels. This zone is very very important. It can achieve the highs, and then at this point we will see how it behaves. Probably it can reverse again. Also, it is now trading above the 20 period moving average, which is also situated at 32 500 levels, which you should watch out for. And hence for the day, there is a possibility that it can show you second green candle, and this time the candle can be stronger. It can try to achieve 32 800 33,000 levels till the time it stays above 32 400. Now this is valid till the time it stays above 32 400. Yes, there is a higher chances of reversal, higher chances of rally. At the same time, below 32 200, we can again expect that it is going to completely erase the gains for the last 2 days and continue with the drop. See, the Fed definitely bring volatility, and I'll be cautious and watchful of which direction it takes. Below 32 200, we can expect further sharper drop, taking it till towards 32 and 31 800 levels. So you should stay cautious. Right now it is trying to look down. You can sell here at 32 500 itself. Expect 32 450 400 as a very very good support. Below that 300 and 200 will be seen, and below 200, if it breaks, it is going to be a bearish day, and we may see a good break. Below 32 200, we have to be extremely cautious, and we can expect that if it pulls back tomorrow, again it might drop. Now on the upside, beyond 32 600, one can stay long. Just stay long 32 700 800, and then 33,000 levels will get achieved. Take your trades accordingly. Now if you look at the stochastic on the daily charts, has come to overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over. Remember, this is divergent, this is bullish, this is looking up here. We can see further bullishness. RSI is flat. So considering this, take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not trade between 32 560 and 32 500. Very narrow zone. because we have a long day. You have to book profits either which ways it takes. Take your trades accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my Telegram group and Signals channel, and also join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Have a good day.